Hi, I'm Roxy, and when you're coming to LA, there's one place you have to visit. Today, I'm going to show you my favorite way to visit the LA Hollywood sign. This is LA Rocks. Let's go. Today, we're in LA, and there's a lot of traffic, and there's many different routes to take you to the Hollywood sign. But today, we're going to take one of my favorites, the Wonder View Trail. It's one of my favorites because it's one of the shortest trails. Wherever you guys decide to park, whatever trail you guys decide to take, make sure you guys respect the area and don't litter. And if you see any trash off the ground, just pick it up. And so let's go. See, be careful where you park or you guys could get a ticket. The hike is 1.5 miles each way. The first half is all uphill, but then you get a break on the way down. So guys, today it's really gloomy out and there's a lot of fog out there. So you can only see about 8 or 9 miles, but on a very clear day, you can see all the way out to the ocean. You could take other trails up to the Hollywood sign, but they're like 6 miles long round trip. The trail we're taking it's only 3 miles long round trip, but very tiring. About 3/4 way up to the Hollywood sign, there's a other alternative path you could take leading to the wisdom tree. Let's go check it out. We did a quick pit stop at the wisdom tree. Now we're gonna go see the sign. So guys, the Hollywood sign was built in 1923, making it about 96 years old. Surprisingly, the sign was not built for movies or anything else. It was actually built as a real estate advertisement. The sign first read Hollywood Land before it was changed in 1949. In 1940, Albert Cothey, while he was drunk driving, crashed into the H and completely destroyed it. He should have taken an Uber for wherever he was going. In 1970, the whole Hollywood sign had to be replaced because the O had been destroyed, the L had been lit on fire, and then someone had bought the Y. In 1984, during the Summer Olympics, the Hollywood sign was lit up for the first time. Surprisingly, the Summer Olympics is coming back to LA in 2028. I wonder what they're gonna do this time. Howard Hughes once owned 138 acres surrounding the Hollywood sign. I'm surprised he didn't crash a plane into the Hollywood sign. When you guys are hiking to the Hollywood sign, you guys definitely need some water. It's very important because the hill, whatever place you take, it will probably be some uphill and it's really tiring. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel too and hit that like notification and the bell thingy so that you guys don't miss anything. In 1948, when the sign still read Hollywood Land, a year before it got changed to Hollywood, the entire sign was almost tore down due to Los Angeles buying the property where the sign sat. But thankfully, the sign is still there today. When you reach this point in the trail, you're almost at the Hollywood sign. The cell phone tower that you see, just behind that cell phone tower is the sign. So we're almost there. Let's go. On January 1st, 2017, the Hollywood sign actually read Hollyweed, because some guy took some white cloth and taped it up on the O's. Surprisingly, my dad actually knows that guy. And yes, that guy is very high. Not my dad, but the guy. But he wasn't so original. The same thing happened back in 1976.
I don't actually know the guy. We worked, well, he helped us on a project we did, a documentary, a while ago, so. It's not like he's my friend or anything.
Down below, we can see Forest Lawn Cemetery. A lot of famous people are buried there. If you die on the Wonderview Trail, they'll put your body down there. Just joking. They'll just leave it on the trail. A lot of people put these strange, all different kinds of blocks on the fence. I don't even know why they're here. If you know, comment down below to let me know. So we made it to the top of the trail. But the only disappointment is we can only see the back of the Hollywood sign. But on other trails, you can see the front of the sign. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. And just remember, LA rocks. Now all I gotta do is hike back down.